Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
It's the Chief Minister's program of ease of doing business. We have launched many schemes and this is one of the schemes. First we gave them a waiver, then we gave them, this is the second scheme where all units which are lying vacant are going to be given one or more opportunity. And after this opportunity, we will take action on all the people who are not doing anything more.
More than 12,75,000 square meter of land and about roughly 400 plots which are otherwise remaining unutilized. No activity taking place. Some of it just land, some of it half-built sheds, some of it with businesses that took place but it is shut. All this is now through the new exit support scheme will be available to entrepreneurs, and we will also, as you know, be going fully digital in August. So everything will be available even on an all India basis. So it's a new thing being introduced for industry to come to Goa.
आणि माविन उलयता आसतना एक्झॅक्टली गोवा IDC एक्झिट सपोर्ट स्कीम म्हणजे कितें हें तुमच्या मुखार दवरलें. तेका आमी पळयता की फॉर ईज ऑफ डुईंग द बिजनेस एक्झिट ऑफ द बिजनेस हाजी गरज आसा. जो पर्यंत आमी पळयता की IDC स्टार्ट जाल्या तो पर्यंत आतां पर्यंत की एक्झिट पॉलिसी नाशिल्ली. जो पर्यंत एक्झिट पॉलिसी नासता तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटांतल्या खंयच्याय बिजनेसा वांगडा आमी जर एंगेज जाले आसत जाल्यार तो तसोच पडून उरता. म्हणून सिन्स फ्रॉम द 1980s जेंच्यांनी ल्हान प्लॉट्स घेतलेले किंवा शेड्स घेतलेले देर इज नो एक्झिट पॉलिसी. सो ते तशेंच पडून आशिल्ले आनी इतके सगळे बंद आशिल्ले. आमी ओवरऑल हाजो सर्वे केल्या उपरांत 423 प्लॉट जवळपास सगळ्या इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी मेळून मोर दॅन 12 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर ऑफ द लँड ही आयडल आशिल्ली. आतां हितूर कांयच बिजनेस जायनाशिल्लो. सगळे सीक युनीट आशिल्ले, सगळे बंद युनीट आशिल्ले. हे युनिट्स जर परत चालू करतले आसत जाल्यार ताका इनिशिएटिव्स घेवपाची गरज आशिल्ली आनी ताकाच लागून अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर and with the guidance of our IDC chairman Abhishek had taken the initiatives, and even though the secretary industries Shwetika all supported, and they have come up with the Goa IDC exit support scheme.